Why are there so many songs about songs? And what's on the other songs? Songs are songs, but only songs, and songs have songs to hide. So we've been told, and some choose to believe it. I know they're wrong, wait and see. Someday we'll find it, the songs, the songs, the songs, and me. Who said that every song would be heard and answered when wished on the songs? Somebody thought of that, and someone believed it. Look what it's done so far. What's so amazing that keeps our songs? And what do we think we might see? Someday we'll find it, the songs, the songs, the songs, the songs, and me. All of us under its songs. We know that it's probably songs. Have you been half asleep? And have you heard songs? I've heard them calling my songs. Is this the sweet song that calls the young songs? The songs might be one and the same. I've heard it too many songs to ignore it. It's something that I'm supposed to be. Someday we'll find it, the songs, the songs, the songs, the songs, and me.